Assalamu alaikum friends, here is social media sales post and banner for Adobe Illustrator. So you can edit or anything in Adobe Illustrator. Okay, but these are protected password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, buy now, and now is offer 60% off is password app, and premium data is 50% off in $10 last 1 days. Okay, here is my Sheri page, join me. And here is sale Instagram post, and same thing here, colorful sale fashion social media. Okay, and here is create and sale Instagram. Okay, next is fashion, new fashion, new year, and travel sale Instagram story. Here is font. Simply you can add it in Adobe Illustrator. I hope these are useful for you. Download this app in offer time. Take care. Allah Hafiz.